Smart technology like phones and cars have come a very long way since they started becoming popular in the mid-2000s and early 2010s. And because of the fast progress that tech has made over the years, it might be hard to keep track of all the latest and greatest innovations that help make everything in your daily life that much easier. But don't worry, you don't have to keep up on your own, because in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the coolest smart gadgets that you can buy right now. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video to find out what smart gadget can help protect your home from intruders. Motion Sensor Smart Sink. Number 10. The Smart Kitchen Faucet with Jimmy Motion Sensor. This sleek-looking smart faucet could be the perfect addition to your home, especially if you, like most people, and hate having to touch the handle on the sink with dirty hands. It comes equipped with motion sensor technology that allows you to simply sway your hand underneath the faucet to activate the water on whatever temperature setting you have the knob adjusted to. And on top of that, it's an easy do-it-yourself installation that anybody can do, and takes less than 30 minutes to get the faucet all hooked up. The faucet comes with a handy pull-down sprayer that comes with two settings, a stream setting for filling and a spray setting for cleaning. Echo Show 10. Number 9. The Echo Show 10 3rd Generation. This is one of the newest additions to the Amazon Echo family, and with this HD display, Alexa has never been more convenient and helpful. The Echo Show 10's 10.1-inch screen allows you to view recipes, read articles, and with the 13-megapixel camera, you can even make video calls to your loved ones. You can also use the Echo Show as a security camera and take a peek at what's going on in your house while no one's home. Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. Number 8. The Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. In 2023, it's never been more important to stay clean so that you can stay healthy. And Amazon has made it easier to follow the CDC recommended guidelines without you even having to think about it. This automatic soap dispenser comes equipped with a 20-second light-up timer that activates while you lather to ensure that you don't rinse them off before all the bacteria has been killed off. This 12-ounce soap dispenser is also compatible with Alexa and even allows you to play songs and create an Alexa routine to make hand washing more enjoyable. Nextmug Smart Coffee Mug. Number 7. The Nextmug Temperature-Controlled Self-Heating Coffee Mug. Nothing is worse than not being able to have your coffee in the morning. Well, that and not knowing whether or not you're enjoying this video. If you're liking all the smart gadgets we've been talking about today, please consider liking this video and hitting that subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on the latest cool tech, like this coffee mug. Thanks to its temperature control smart technology, you can keep your beverage at the perfect temperature, from a warm 130 degrees to a piping hot 150. The next mug comes with a long-lasting rechargeable battery with auto-off technology for safety purposes. And when it comes to charging the stainless steel mug, simply place it on the charging coaster and you're good to go. SONOFF Smart Scene Wall Switch. Number 6. The SONOFF NS Panel Smart Home Control Switch. This wall switch is the perfect device for anyone who's turned their house into a place of the future. You can connect all of your smart home devices to the smart switch, which then allows you to control everything in your house from a single location. Using the SONOFF control switch, you can even use the powerful built-in thermostat to set the temperature, and then you can even set it to change the indoor temperature at any time automatically, so you don't have to do a thing. On top of that, you can always stay on top of the weather outside with real-time updates that are visible right on the screen. Levitt Smart Humidifier. Number 5. The Levitt Classic 300S Ultrasonic Smart Top-Filled Humidifier. This 6-liter humidifier comes with app-based controls, but also has a voice control setting built in as well. With a 4 times faster humidification speed than most others on the market, the Levitt is a perfect choice for any bedroom. Use the app to create schedules for the humidifier and control the settings from anywhere. Smart Picture Frame. Number 4. The 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital photo frame. This is the perfect gift for anyone who has a hard time deciding which pictures to frame. Cut the decision out entirely by simply uploading as many photos as you want onto this digital picture frame that comes equipped with a 10.1-inch high-definition screen. The touchscreen display allows you to swipe through your pictures and display whichever one you want, or even set it to run on a smooth and stylish slideshow mode with auto rotation. The Smart Picture frame comes with a built-in 16GB memory chip, but has a maximum extended storage capacity of up to 128GB. LG Styler Steam Closet. Number 3. The LG Styler Steam Closet. This smart closet allows you to sanitize your clothes every day, especially those that are too fragile to just be thrown in the wash. The LG Styler removes almost all airborne allergens, which include pollen, dust, and pet dander, while removing the need to use chemicals like bleach or soaps. The LG Styler is also capable of damage-free drying using built-in heat pumps that specifically avoid high-temperature damage. Simply plug in the steam closet and it's ready to use. It's never been easier. Ampere Adjustable Smart Sunglasses. Number 2. The Ampere Adjustable Smart Sunglasses. Using the Dusk app, these sunglasses are designed to stay on your face no matter how bright or dark it gets. With an adjustable tint that can go from 38% tint, which is perfect for slightly cloudy but still bright days, all of the way to a very dark 4% tint that will come in handy on those clear days when the sun is just booming. The Ampere glasses come with a TR90 nylon, water-resistant frame with scratch-resistant coating on the lenses and market themselves as the first glasses that let you choose the tint level. GeekTale Smart Doorknob. Number 1. The GeekTale Biometric Smart Doorknob. Never worry about fumbling for your keys again with this high-tech doorknob that allows you to unlock the door using a biometric fingerprint scanner. Simply connect the doorknob to the app on your smartphone or tablet and set it up by registering your fingerprint. Then, just like that, you'll be able to open your door the same way a spy would. The GeekTale Smart Doorknob is perfect for any room in your house or even the front door. And in case of a malfunction with the fingerprint scanner, you can still unlock the door using a key or even remotely by logging into the app. What was your favorite smart gadget from today's video? Make sure you let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.